YouTube, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Just messing around. Humid Sunday morning. Testing out this stabilizer. Pretty dope. I'll show you guys a few things with the car before we go for tuning tomorrow. Got little gauges. Check this out. I do it for the tacos. So we got everything installed, from down to the intercooler piping to the radium engineering clutch fork stop, Exedy Twin Disc clutch, AMS, CMC upgrade, tile QRJ, ETS intake, AMS fuel pressure regulator, upper intercooler piping, MA performance manifold. You can't really see it because of the heat shield. Upgraded valve cover, powder coated Brembo red, AMS fuel rail with 1300cc injectors, driven fab catch can, and we got the ETS 3-inch intercooler. Oh yeah, and of course the star of the show back there. I don't know if this will see it, but the MHI-18K turbo. So yeah, pretty much ready. Tomorrow's the tune day. You guys a close up. Yeah, I didn't even ask for a wire tuck, and they did it anyways. Pretty sick. So tomorrow is the tune day. Gonna drop it off at 9. Eric, the tuner, he's gonna have it the entire day. From what I've been told, he takes his time to perfect every single thing. So it's gonna be an all-day thing, and hopefully I'll get the car back that same day. They're gonna try their best to get it back to me the same day. If not, worst case, I gotta pick it up on Tuesday. That's pretty much it. I'll keep everybody posted for what's to come. We'll see what power we make on the dyno. Hopefully we hit 400 on E85. That was the goal. Anything over that, that's just icing on the cake. Yeah, 400 for this car, just for the street. It's more than enough for me. For now, at least. Just want to give everybody an update. I got some more surprises on the way. More aesthetic. Still gotta buy tires for my wheels. Looking at short throw shifters as well. Little interior stuff. Yeah. Came out pretty sick. Alright, let me let you guys go. Hope everybody enjoys the rest of their weekend. Have a good one. Have a safe 4th of July this week. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe for more content. I'll try to keep you guys updated with a video at least once a week. Updates on the EVO, updates on my friends' cars, because I plan on hopefully filming a bunch of my friends' vehicles. They have pretty badass vehicles. Alright guys, take it easy, have a good one, be safe.